this huge, gigantic mirror in here. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all good. So today I'm going to be doing a review, an unboxing, and a try-on of the Revolution Makeup Revolution London Patricia Bright Rich in Color Eyeshadow Palette. With that being said, let's get started. I'm going to go ahead and unbox this. And this is the back. In the back, it does state that it's PETA approved, vegan, global animal test policy, recycle, and 12 months. It has this lip. It has these little tabs on both sides. Yeah, this is pretty. Wow. Wow, it feels a little bit heavier than other eyeshadow palettes, and this is like a big tin. It reminds me of the Makeup Revolution London, the purple one that I made a review on, the small one that it's like a tin. This one's the same thing. This is so cool. And I like the colors that they use, the black and like the gold. Reveal time. Wow, I for sure was not expecting these colors. Wow, these are beautiful. I hope they swatch as they look here in the palette. So what makes it a little bit heavy is like the material and also the mirror. The mirror seems very heavy, especially when you're holding it from that side. So it does have this huge mirror in here, guys. Let's see if you guys can see that. It has like a huge mirror, and the shades are beautiful. Like, I just opened this and this is just beautiful, guys. So let's start swatching. So I'm going to start swatching this way, and then again and again and again. Shimmering. Love Song. Queen. Model. Honey Pot. Allspice. Pillow Talk. Elegant. Mao. Reckless. Green Juice. Fruit Punch. Vitamin C. Ocean Deep. This Pink's Poppin'. Taste the Rainbow. Birthday Cake. Rich Rich. Yes Peaches. Lanes. No Boop. Missed Call. No Exit. Wifey. Trendsetter. Dessert. Miss Tropicana. Backstage. Now I'm going to go ahead and try it on. Now I'm going to go ahead and blend it all out. I'm going to try using the Pink's Poppin' as a blush. Okay guys, this is the final look. What do you guys think? So I wanted to try out this palette as much as I could, and the one thing that came to mind immediately was neurodiversity, autism, and how the symbol has all these beautiful colors in it. And I was like, let me do that. And this is what I came up with. I don't know if you guys can see all of that, but I wanted to do something for autism, so I did this. A little thing I wanted to say, you guys, since I got the colors from the autism symbol to this look as an inspiration. is that if you encounter somebody that has autism, whether it's a child, a teenager, an adult, an elder person, be patient with them and help them if they need help. Listen to them, listen to their needs. Do not judge them and do not make jokes about them, especially when they're stimming. Do not judge them, do not bully them, help them out. If they need help, help them out. You can also ask them, and if they accept your help, help them out. What we need in this world is more kindness. What we need in this world is more autism acceptance. Now, let's get back to the video. I do have to say, I really like the eyeshadows, especially when you start building them up little by little. They are beautiful. Do not sleep on this palette if you guys have it near you. I mean, it's your thing, your money, if you guys want to go purchase it. But in my opinion, I think it's worth it. I really like how the packaging is very smooth, very cute. And I also like how this is slim, like a slim palette, and that it's kind of like a tin. I don't know why I'm starting to like these Revolution palettes like this. These are really pretty. And so again, this is my opinion. If you guys want to go purchase it on your own, that's your time, your money, you do what you want. But again, my opinion on what I think about this product and how I felt using it. Do you guys see the mirror? Look at the size of that mirror. It has a protection film. That is awesome. I also like that they incorporated a lot of different colors in here. A little bit muted, a little bit bright, a little bit in the middle. And I also like that they have two glitter eyeshadows, the Wow and the Flames. Out of 5, I give this palette a 5. I'd be using this palette again? Yes, I will. Would I recommend this palette? Yes, I would. So that's it, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys like it, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It helps me bring you guys more videos like these. And if you guys want to see something specific, let me know down in the comment section below. Thank you guys again so much. And if you have subscribed to my channel, thank you. And I hope you guys all have a good evening, morning, nights, wherever you're at. Until next time, bye guys.